Meaning of handstand.
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 Handstand. A handstand is a physical exercise where a person balances their body upside down with their hands on the ground and their feet in the air. It requires significant strength, flexibility, and balance. Performing a handstand can have several benefits, such as strengthening the upper body, improving core stability, and increasing overall body awareness. However, it can also be a challenging and potentially dangerous activity if not performed correctly. Mastering a handstand requires practice, focus, and determination, but can ultimately be a rewarding and impressive feat of athleticism.